Hi everybody, this is Em from DIYM, and so today we are going to do a bow with some ribbon. So if you wanted to do a bow on top of a wreath or a bag, like a basket, and then you could shrink wrap it or not, depending on how big your bag is and if it's a shrink wrappable bag or something. Anyways, so I'm going to just show you how to make a ribbon that's kind of ready to go. Normally you need something that has wire in it. I think this does have a wire in it, it's just a very fine bit of wire, so that should work I think for this. So you're going to need ribbon. You're going to need fabric scissors. I'm also going to use some pipe cleaners. I'm actually going to use specifically white for this, so it's not so noticeable. You'll also need a glue gun. This is my well-loved glue gun. If you want to do fabric glue, there are fabric glue sticks you can use. This is just a regular glue stick, but I do have fabric glue, but it should work okay either way. Okay, what I'm going to do, this is just one way to make a fluffy bow. So you kind of want to decide how long you want your tail to be for your ribbon, and then you sort of twist that around. So I've got this nice holographic ribbon here. So, and then you make sure you have a lot of this. You don't cut it quite yet. Okay, so what you do is twist it and sort of try to do it around the same size or so. Twist it and just sort of hold it between your thumbs. Twist it. Twist it. You don't have to keep twisting if you don't want to, because I think overall we're gonna put things together with our pipe cleaners. It should be okay. It's easier to hide the pipe cleaners if it's not so transparent, but we'll just see what we can do here. Twist that. Twist it. And I don't know, you can do, let's see, we've got 3 on one side, 3 on the other. I think you can do 4 or 5. That would be a nice full ribbon, I'd say. Gather it like that. Oops, okay, I think we're just going to come to the end here. This is already done, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of twist this. And try to be as tight as you can. And just twist this around. And you can leave this to sort of go around any bag you need, okay? So I'm going to cut this about the same length or so. It's this. Okay, you got this. So I'm gonna trim this a bit. I like to fold things over and then cut where the fold is, cut downwards to get the V shape, okay? Okay, so then what you do is you just sort of fluff up the bow. I might cut this guy a little bit shorter to just match that a bit. What I might do is I might take this and then just sort of put this around, just hot glue this into place. But yeah, so basically you can just fluff up your bow however you want here. And if it's really good wire ribbon, it might actually hold its shape a little bit better than this. So I'm gonna just hot glue this. So I got my hot glue out, I got it warmed up here. So what you can do is you can take it, put a dab of glue on it, wrap this around like that. I just feel like it just needs one little dab of glue, and then you've got a little thing that's kind of covering up this here, and then you just tie it around a bag. So then you got a little fluffy bow. Again, you can fluff it up all you want, and if it's better wire than this, than what I have here, it should be easier to fluff up a lot. It is wired, it's just not as wired as I would like it to be. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much that, guys. So I will try to put it on a gift of some kind and show you how that looks. Okay, so I have like a fun game that I found randomly out shopping. This is a Pop-Tarts game, and then on Amazon I just bought this fun puzzle pack thing where you can gift a bunch of puzzles that look like cereal boxes, which I think is really cute. I don't know which one to do. Maybe I'll do Honey Smacks because that's kind of a fun cover there, and I might gift it with something like this. This is like a gift card holder. So normally you would put like a gift card in there, and this is for coffee, but I'm just using this as an example. It'd be kind of cool if I actually had a basket or something. That's okay. So I have this cello wrap iridescent cellophane. It's gonna go nicely with this bow, I think. Something similar. So I've got a few bags of this. I'm just gonna move this aside for just a second just to lay this on top of it. So I'll just do almost like a diamond shape like this, and then I'll do a square over top of it like that. Ooh. This is tight. Okay, I might actually lose this guy here. Yeah, there. That gives it a little bit more room to play with. This is definitely for a very small gift bag. Didn't think it was going to be this small, to be honest with you. Okay. Yeah, there we go. And then you can secure it with an elastic band or a twist tie or something like that if you'd like. Or you can just put the bow right around it as well, so it's a little easier to take off. Sort of twist it like a twist tie. So normally I like to have a little bit more of this kind of thing happening at the top, but you guys kind of get the picture, right? It's a cute little present. Right? Really sweet little present that you can give to somebody. If you want to, you can cut these a little shorter. But anyways, guys, there you go. That's basically the present. So cute. I wish that this dollar store, obviously ribbon, there was more of it. And also, I just wish that there was more of this. It was longer. If it was a little bit longer, that would be really, really nice. But anyways, that's the gist of this. And so if you guys like this video, if it helps you out in some way, please like, subscribe, and share the video with somebody. And I hope this helps you guys out, because I know that it's definitely helped me to know the technique. It makes gift giving a little bit easier and a little bit more fun and presentable. I feel like sometimes when you master packaging, gift giving is a lot more fun. And again, I'm not a master at it or anything like that. I'm still learning as I go, but I feel like these kind of tutorials can help you out as well as me. All right, have a good one. Take care, guys.